everyone! Welcome back to another Loyal and Save training. Today, we'll be going over the Customer section of the Loyalty module. Throughout this section, we've blurred out some of the details for privacy purposes. After logging into Control Center, click on Loyalty, Customer, then Customers. From here, you can manage your customers' details. You can search for specific customers by entering a phone number or LNS number, by source campaign drop-down menu and selecting the different types of source campaigns you've created, return filter drop-down menu and selecting has returns in the past 30 days, has returns in the past 60 days, or has returns in the past 90 days. You can also search by email, first name, or last name. You can filter out your search by clicking on the Choose Account Lockout drop-down menu and selecting either Locked, Banned, or Locked and Banned. Choose Confirm drop-down menu and selecting Confirmed or Not Confirmed. Choose Employee drop-down menu and selecting Yes or No. You can also filter by Created Date or Updated Date. If you click on the green Action button, you can modify the customer details. The gray button with the person icon will bring up the customer's associations, aka team members, and the blue button can be used to quickly convert the customer to an employee. Let's begin by clicking on the green Modify button. The first tab we see is the Details tab. It shows the customer's first name, last name, username, email, description, gender, if they've signed up via a source campaign, their sign-up location, customer type, either normal customer, LNS employee, or nonprofit. We'll discuss the nonprofit option in another training video, and the sign-up referral code. The Contact tab shows the customer's address, city, state, zip, country code, and phone number. The Balances tab will show the customer's current store token balances and manufacturer token balances. Under the Manage Store section, you can lock from store or ban from store and enter a description as to why the customer has been banned from the store. If you suspect them of being involved in fraudulent activity or stealing, you can lock their account while you are researching their purchases. It allows the customer to still earn rewards, but they will not be able to redeem them. If you have verified that the customer did steal, you can ban them from earning or redeeming rewards at your store. Since we do not want to make any changes to this account, we'll click Cancel to close the customer's account. To create a new customer, you can click on the green Add New button in the upper right-hand corner. This will take you to the Add New page where you can fill out all of the required fields. It is uncommon that new customers will be added on the back end, as most customers will either be added in the physical store or through the website or mobile app. Let's move on to LNS employees. Here you can see a list of all your employees for your stores. You can search for employee by email, employee number, first name, last name, manager, whether or not they can register employees, whether they are confirmed or not, or by employment time, either full-time or part-time. You can sort the list by created date here. There are also action buttons for each employee. The green Modify button, red Remove button. On a side note, this will archive the data. It will not hard delete it. And the blue Update Manager button. A customer employee is used to provide commission-based rewards to employees and meant to preserve the same logic and functionality as a regular customer. The employee can use the app or website similar to a customer and also manage their team and profile similar to the customer. There are some extra properties that make this work. For example, when you click on the green Modify button, the employee details will appear, and you will see the employee number and manager above them. Also, there is an added permission of Can Register Employees, which lets them sign up other employees underneath them. This feature is typically reserved for district managers and store managers. Other information is present here. You can see and/or edit the employee's first name, last name, username, email, gender, employee type, which will show if the employee is full-time or part-time, date of birth, employee number, can register employees, which we've already reviewed, and select Customer Manager. Circling back to the employee number, employees can sign up a customer under their team at their register by using their employee number instead of a referral code. By doing this, the customer will be added to the employee's team, and the employee will earn a percentage of that customer's purchases. Moving on to the Contact tab. Here, you can see or edit your employee's address and phone number. Let's cancel out of this view so we don't change any of the employee's information and go back to the main LNS Employees page. You also have the ability to add a new employee by clicking on the green Add New button in the top right-hand corner. Then you would need to fill out all of the required fields to create a new employee for your stores. Customer balances. This is where you'll be able to see all of your customers' current token balances. Let's look at the different fields and filters. You have the option to choose balance type, and depending on how many different balance types you've created, you'll see them here in the drop-down menu. You can search for specific customers by email, first name, or last name. You can also filter out by balance amount or by clicking on the Choose Employee drop-down menus and selecting Yes or No. You can sort by created date as well as last updated date. Under the actions, we see 3 different options: the green Modify button, red Remove button, and the blue Balance History button. This will bring up the entire balance history for the customer. It shows the bonus type, balance before, changed value, balance after, notes, and dates. You also have a couple of action buttons on this screen: the green View Receipt button and the blue Edit Campaign button. Merge balance type will rarely ever be used. It gives admins the ability to merge 2 different balance types into one. For example, if you created a special balance type for a campaign or multiple campaigns, and the customers can no longer earn rewards for that balance type and can no longer redeem their tokens for that balance type, you can merge them with the default balance so they don't lose the earned tokens altogether. Add New. This allows you to select an existing customer, then select a balance type, and manually add a token balance for that balance type to the customer's account. Customer Balance History. This appears just how it sounds. This is where you'll be able to see all of your customers' token balance histories based on their transactions. You can filter by a range of dates here. Then you can search for specific customers by email, first name, and last name. You can filter by campaign, balance type, credit amount, balance after, receipt number, choose employee, and choose reward type. You can also sort by created date. Balance types. This is where you will create the different balance types or token buckets for your organization. You will automatically have a default balance type in your customer balance types. Additional balance types can be used if you want to create a separate bucket. Balance types tie into the loyalty campaigns, and you can designate how each campaign will allocate reward tokens to participating customers by selecting the appropriate balance type. Customer interests. When customers create an online account or app account, they are given a brief customer interest survey. This helps let us know which product categories or topics they are interested in. This is tied to campaigns as well in the Marketing tab, where you can choose to market campaigns to customers with specific interests. On the Customer Interest page, you can see the list of the created interests or topics, the number of customers who have selected that interest from their survey, when it was created, and when it was last updated. Under the Actions section, you can modify the interest, delete it, or view the list of customers who are interested in that topic. By clicking on the green Add New button in the top right-hand corner, you can create new customer interest topics. Receipts. The Customer Receipt page shows all of your customers' receipts based on their transactions. You can filter by a range of dates here. Then you can search for specific customers by email, first name, and last name. You can filter by locations, choose employee, receipt number, and sale total. You can also sort by cashier and purchase time. Coupons. This shows a list of all the coupons that your customers have earned through the loyalty campaigns you've created and what they've used. You can search by coupon name, campaign name, customer first name, last name, coupon type, and amount. You can sort by the total number of the coupons, if they've been used or not, and how many coupons remain for each customer. The blue action button shows the coupon detail, the customer's name, coupon name, end date, aka expiration date, and the creation method of the coupon. Redeemed dollars. This section shows the history of your customers' redeemed rewards in Dollar Tender based on the dates you have selected. You can filter by the range of dates here. Then you can search for specific customers by email, first name and last name, and amount. You can filter by balance type, location, and sort by created date. Source campaigns. The goal of source campaigns is to track where a customer registers for Loyal and Save from. Social media, email, and website are a few common examples. On the source campaign list page, you can see a few example campaigns that have been created. You can see and search by the name of the source campaign, the number of times it was viewed, the number of registrations that resulted from the source, the percentage of registrations from views, the date it was created, and the date it was last updated. The Actions section allows you to modify the campaign or soft delete it. Now that we've gone over the view, let's click on Add New. Enter the name of your source campaign in the name field. The first tab we see is the Rewards tab. Here, you can enter a reward for the customer signing up. This is an optional feature which can grant a token or coupon reward to the user registering for your store. If you click on Token Reward, you'll then have to choose the balance type and enter the token value you would like to reward your customer with. If you click on Coupon, you'll have a bit more work to do by filling out the coupon details and coupon filters. In the Coupon Details section, you'll need to enter a coupon name, choose the coupon type from the drop-down menu. Options are dollar amount off, free item, or percentage off. If you choose dollar amount off or percentage off, you'll have to enter the coupon value. For example, $5 off or 10% off. Then you'll have to enter the coupon header line and the text lines for the coupon. The header lines will appear large and bold when compared to the text lines on the receipt printout. Next, you'll set the coupon expiration date. You can choose from Never Expires, Static Date, or Days After Issue. The last feature on this tab is the Once Per Sale. This can be toggled to yes or no and determines how many times the coupon can be used. In the Coupon Filters section, the coupon filters are used to determine the products in which a coupon can be used. Select the filter type from the drop-down menu. Your choices are Item Whitelist and Blacklist, Department Whitelist and Blacklist, Category Whitelist and Blacklist, Manufacturer Whitelist and Blacklist, Brand Whitelist and Blacklist, and Tag Whitelist and Blacklist. We're going to select Department Whitelist and click Add Filter. Then we're going to click on Manage, and the Manage Filter screen pops up. Here, you will select which department or departments you would like the coupon to be eligible for use, and then click on the green arrow button to bring them over to the selected list, and finally click Apply. Now the customer will be able to use the coupon they earn on any item that belongs to those two selected departments. The second tab is the Referral settings. Here, you can pair this source campaign to a customer employee who is promoting Loyal and Save for you and configure a token bonus optionally. Then, you'll select the referral reward the employee will earn each time they either sign up a new customer or when the customer makes their first purchase. Select your referral balance type and set the token value. When you're finished, click Save and Close. This is a really cool feature because you can make anyone a customer employee so they can earn rewards for promoting Loyal and Save for you. For example, if the owner of the bagel shop up the block is one of your customers and they agree to promote Loyal and Save for you, then make the bagel shop owner a customer employee and create a source campaign for the bagel shop where if the Bagel Shop customers sign up for Loyal and Save using the QR code from the flyer or advertisement you have posted in their shop, then the new members can earn a reward for signing up, and the Bagel Shop owner will earn a referral token reward for promoting Loyal and Save in their business. Super easy, and everybody wins. Import customers. This is mainly an onboarding feature, but you can do it here as well. The purpose is to easily import your customers rather than adding them individually. The import will work only if the format of the CSV is as per the predefined sample CSV structure. Simply click on the blue Sample CSV button to download the sample file to build off of. Next, you have the Skip Validations toggle. This is recommended to be toggled to No. Toggling to Yes will skip validations while importing data, and it may result in bad data. Next, you can select your CSV file to be imported by clicking on the Choose File button. Then click the green Run Import button in the top right-hand corner. Since we don't have any customers to import, I will not perform that function. Customer feedback. The customer feedback section shows all of the feedback or reviews that your customers leave for your storefront via the customer web portal or the application. You can search by customer email, first name, last name, and notes. You can sort by the created date and the updated date. Coupons is currently under construction, so we'll cover that at a later date. That's all I intended to cover today. I hope you've learned some new things, and I hope that helps you better use Loyal and Save. If you have any questions about how to best utilize your Loyal and Save program, you can always email us at info@loyalandsave.com.